Taichung City in central Taiwan is renowned for pristine, natural beauty. From mountain heights down through lowland plains to the sea, Taichung agriculture is active in tropical, subtropical, and temperate climate zones. Taichung is home to a diverse abundance of high-value agricultural products. Annual temperatures averaging a comfortable 23 degrees Celsius further contribute to Taichung City's fertile abundance and confirm its exceptional agricultural credentials. Man's labors release Earth's bounty. Taichung's exceptional natural conditions encourage farmers to make the most of opportunities. Under expert service team guidance, Taichung City has seen its share of horticultural miracles. Today, Taichung is the top value producer of many crops, including fresh taro from Dajia Township, the famous ingredient in popular Taiwan snacks like taro crisps, Jiufeng taro balls, and Caohu taro shaved ice. Taro from Taichung is the ultimate in fragrance and flavor. Top-grafted Asian pears, first developed and grown in Taichung's Dongshi district, are affectionately known as the Prince of Fruits. Juicy, sweet, and satisfyingly crisp, Dongshi, Shigang, Fengyuan, Tanzi, and Beitun produce the nation's highest quality Penggan. Also, Mo Tianling in Heping district has produced mouth-watering persimmons since the early 20th century. Soft, fleshy, and sweet, Taichung persimmons now excel even those grown in their native Japan. Clumps of ripe loquats in Xinshe and Taiping hang like golden bells, announcing spring's arrival. They are believed to promote respiratory health. Fragrant and mouth-wateringly delicious, fresh peaches abound in Taichung's Lishan district. Sweet and juicy, peaches are the perfect thirst quencher. No question about it, Taichung fruits are all at the top of their class, delivering unforgettable flavors and freshness. But Taichung agriculture is so much more. Bamboo shoots from Dakeng, aromatic rice and dried longan and lychee from Wufeng, dragon fruit from Waipu, sweet potato from Shalu, yellow chives from Qingsui, Taichung honey, sweet apples from Lishan, and watermelon from Dadu are all renowned nationwide. Even though Taichung crops rank among the nation's finest, our farmers and the Agriculture Bureau continue to move the bar higher. Building on solid, sustainable progress, new crops introduced into Taichung's portfolio are expected to continue the city's agricultural miracle. New crops introduced in recent years have indeed garnered spectacular results. New shiitake and enoki mushroom farms in Xinshe and Wufeng now supply half or more of national consumption. Taichung grapes and citrus also now rank highly both in quality and production. Floristry is another new sector under development. In terms of Oncidium orchids, flamingo flowers, and lilies, Taichung is the nation's top 1 or 2 largest supplier. Flower exports from Taichung are well received worldwide and generate hundreds of millions in revenue annually. Lishan District's high-elevation, distinctive topography and rich soils produce teas of exceptional quality and flavor. Internationally renowned, Taichung teas make the perfect purchase for yourself or as a gift for family and friends. Dragon fruit and flowers raised with Agriculture Bureau assistance use artificial lighting to extend harvest periods, which helps lengthen crop seasons and reduce market price volatility. This widens the formerly narrow harvest window and improves profitability. The Agriculture Bureau's two-pronged policy of reducing single crop volumes and raising overall crop diversity has earned some unprecedented results. Taking Jinmen's famous Gaoliang liquor, for example, did you know that the wheat used to make the yeast for this highly popular drink is grown and harvested in Taichung's Daya district? Daya's wheat fields produce some 90% of Taiwan's total wheat crop. Fallow fields sown with buckwheat help generate additional income while greening the rural landscape. Leading-edge techniques help Taichung agriculture maximize innovation and diversity. New crop varieties like the small-leaved yam, Jingyuan pear, ruby peaches, and Cuiyu Wangli and large lychees, as well as fruit tree adoption programs, are opening new horizons for Taichung farmers. Also, programs in place to buy up and process crop surpluses help balance supply and demand, stabilizing market prices and giving farmers income security. Taichung's proprietary blend lychee juice and ponggan juice, served at Michelin star restaurants, were both developed by the Agriculture Bureau to open new markets and opportunities for Taichung agriculture. Taichung City's varied environment supports a diverse ecology. The Gaomei Wildlife Refuge is an internationally important wetland preserve on the southern banks of the Dajia River in the city's Jingshui district. Autumn here pulsates with migratory bird activity, providing a rich and vital habitat for both short-term transients and winter residents. Gaomei is a rare ecological oasis set within Taichung's modern cityscape. Two endangered plants here in particular, the salt marsh bulrush and endemic Da'an hygrophila, are two of the Gaomei wetlands' horticultural treasures. Please help us see that they continue to thrive for generations to come. The flatlands of Dadu Estuary Wildlife Refuge comprise one of Taiwan's most important wetlands. The area's abundant flora and fauna are enriched further by the annual arrival of migratory birds. The high concentration of various bird species here make the Dadu Estuary one of Taiwan's largest water bird habitats. Taichung is also home to a national treasure. The endangered cherry salmon that lives only in the Chijiawan Wildlife Refuge is also the world's only landlocked salmon species. Orphaned on Taiwan at the end of the last ice age, it is also Taiwan's one and only cold climate fish species. A living fossil, the cherry salmon bears biological witness to a time when dry land linked Taiwan to mainland Asia. Qingtongling Ecological Park is an enticing destination for family fun and recreation, with quiet, forest-shaded trails enticing urbanites from their everyday cares and into nature's inviting embrace. Conveniently located in Taichung City's backyard, it's the perfect escape from the modern city's hectic pace. Each of these urban oases is a cherished ecological asset. The Taichung Agriculture Bureau runs 5 nurseries located in Holi, Dajia, Taiping, Nantun, and Lingdong that raises saplings suited to Taichung's various climate zones. The Dajia Nursery supplies saplings suited to coastal areas, while those in Holi and Taiping cultivate saplings for communities and reforestation in plains and lowland hill areas. Nantun specializes in plants destined to beautify city public spaces. Together, these 5 nurseries supply the city with some 260,000 saplings annually, helping beautify Taichung and absorb and fix ambient atmospheric carbon. In addition to planting new trees, efforts to green Greater Taichung naturally extend to the city's extensive population of older trees. Witnesses to hundreds, even thousands of years of history, they are nature's elder statesmen, guardians over generations of human history. Worship and veneration of ancient trees is a thread deeply woven into Taiwan folk culture. City tree protection ordinances, regular surveys of registered trees, and regular arboreal health checkups all help Taichung's old trees remain strong and healthy. Taichung City's 38-kilometer coastline runs from Fangli Stream in the north to the Dajia River in the south. Its rich fishery resources are further enhanced by coastal and sea tourism. Centered on the city's 6 main fishing harbors, Taichung's coast offers kaleidoscopic diversity. Wuxi Harbor, home to the nation's single largest wholesale fish market, was named Taiwan's best fishing harbor by the Taiwan Fisheries Agency and is a perennially popular hotspot for central Taiwan coastal tourism. Other Taichung harbors include Songbo, Wujia, Beixian, Wenliao, and Lishui, each offering front-row seats on spectacular sunset views. Plans are underway to revitalize Wuxi Harbor with a new mermaid pier featuring restaurants, fresh seafood, and leisure facilities set to create new, exciting horizons for Taichung's fishing harbors. Taichung City's diverse and advanced livestock sector centers on hog and poultry rearing. The Taichung Swine Producer Association's Taichung Fresh Pork label, as well as Omega Pork, Enzyme Pork, and Natural Yeast Pork, have all had strongly positive impacts on the market. Poultry production in the city centers on farms operated by Taiyi and Zhongxing. Hatching some 1.5 million broiler chicks each week, the two supply 37.5% of national production. Taichung's Deer Breeder Association's Zhonglu Fortified Wine brand has become a respected name in healthful tonics. Stringent management and inspection of livestock plants effectively monitor livestock production and sales conditions in the city. Stringent controls effectively treat livestock wastes and protect the environment. Slaughter education and regular inspections ensure meat healthfulness. And city ordinances on animal protection promote stable industry growth and consumer health and safety. Campaigns promoting the purchase of local, in-season produce are helping to bring markets closer to farmers, creating a win-win for consumers and producers. Creating a strong Taichung agriculture brand image and reputation, promoting local agricultural specialties, and developing and promoting processed food sales. All are helping add value to Taichung agriculture. Producer recognition awards and sales promotions are helping grow demand, markets, and enthusiasm for fine Taichung agricultural products. In terms of product export assistance, apart from Ponggan, Asian pears, and dragon fruit, Taichung agricultural extension offices have targeted honey tangerines, lychees, longans, dried longans, snow pears, persimmons, Lishan tea, and enoki mushrooms for new sales and mainland China market opportunities. Beyond agricultural produce, Taichung City is both promoting new tourism and leisure destinations like the city's Big Five wineries, including Shusheng, Sweet Charm, Songhe, Wufeng, and Da'an, as well as helping producers establish and promote their own wine brands. When Wufeng's Chuwu Xiuju took gold and silver award honors at a German spirits competition, it drew important new attention to Taichung wines, significantly boosting the Taichung wine brand image and adding new value to Taichung agriculture. Their bucolic rural scenery and vibrant ecosystems convinced the Taichung Agriculture Bureau to open Dongshi's Ranpi Keng, Shigang's Shishui, Dajia's artisan hometown, Taiping's Toubian Keng, Xinshe's Malipu, and Xinshe's Chouteng Keng to leisure agriculture, growing rural revenue streams, reanimating village economies, encouraging innovation, adding commercial value, and diversifying local economies to further raise farmer incomes. In step with national rural regeneration policies and under the banner of health, efficiency, and sustainability, Taichung City is comprehensively redefining the social, cultural, environmental, economic, and business landscapes of its rural communities, rejuvenating village communities and improving their overall environment in a bid to remove chronic obstacles to rural development, care for disadvantaged residents of these communities, help village life regain its charms, and encourage young people to stay and prosper to the benefit of the entire community. Re-establishing the former balance between the land and those who work it is key to building vibrant, alluring rural communities. Once approved, regeneration plans for each of Taichung's 253 rural communities will have a role to play in reinvigorating rural Taichung, creating a happy, safe, and supportive place for all its residents. Taichung's exceptional environment and hard-working farmers lead the nation in the production of fruit, vegetables, flowers, and grains. Diligence today plants seeds of a bright future. The Taichung Agriculture Bureau has high hopes. We produce the best in order to deliver the best and promote only our finest products and services. We provide the nation with healthful, safe produce and exceptional in-depth leisure agriculture opportunities and teach youth the importance of supporting and sustaining agriculture. We are innovating and improving agricultural ideas, production, technologies, and techniques, and effectively promoting quality Taichung produce at home and abroad, all for the benefit of our farmers. We are sustainably improving Taichung agriculture along the path to a healthier, happier, and more prosperous Taichung.